we're all having brekkie. Hello gang, for the vlog. So we did start off at one end, and in this Age UK, this was actually pretty good. I got quite a few things from it. Yeah, there was like all adult clothing was like £3 or £4. It was pretty good. As I said, I found some like nudie jeans. I found this Disney top, which was just immense. They had a bric-a-brac section, which was like everything was 50p, but there wasn't anything good, if you know what I mean. It's like such a shame that when I see that sign, I'm like, yes, and then I can't find anything. Kind of sad. Although they did have like some lampshades, but I can't carry them on the train. Do me head in. But yeah, they did the men's stuff. There was like £4 an item and stuff like that. So I did have a proper route around, but it was basic kind of stuff. There was a Columbia, but it was like, it was horrific, like on the back, and on the front it was like sunburn and everything. It was ridiculous. Yeah, I got this vintage Fruit of the Loom jumper. So there's the nudie jeans. And yeah, they had some Jaeger pants, but I put them back because there was like a gash in the bottom. But yeah, we moved on to the next one. Yeah, cancer research. This was pretty good. I ended up finding a couple of bits here. I kind of bypassed the clothing, like the women's clothing, and Abby found some amazing pieces. But yeah, if you want to know what she got, go follow her at Reseller Resources. I got this Indiana Jones game. It's Kingdom of the Crystal Skull, so it's not like vintage. It's like from 2008, but it was only £2. I thought, why not? And this charity shop is called Keynes. It was cash only though, so I'm glad I brought some cash out with me. I didn't get that Sherlock Gnomes. There was some Foster Grants in there. Not Foster Grants, there was some Ray-Bans in there, but I was a bit like, they had a scratch on the lens. And I was like, no, thank you. Yeah, I got a couple of bits. There was a Barbie doll. I got one of those 3D mugs. I put the Slimer back because it wasn't the one that I thought was the most valuable one. But yeah, I went into the mine to see if it's any different from the others. Guess what? It's not. They are just as expensive. Yeah, I didn't really get anything there. It was the only shop I think that I didn't buy anything in. I did have a route around though. Well, it'd be rude not to. Yeah, I thought this doll was worth something, but it's not. It's just a bit kind of funky. There we go. So have you got bargains?
All the bargains.
All the bargains,
Yep,
all the deals.
Bargains.
Yeah, no rests yet for stealing all the bargains. But no, there's like a festival on. Pretty cool. You've got what?
The most candles I've ever bought.
The most candles, yeah. Right, so we've finished charity shopping now. And where we go? We're going to the Witherspoons, that's
Yes, yeah.
For a drink.
The Wetherspoons Milton Keynes opened in 1994.
They are? 1994, it's one of the first ones. Well earned drink. I'm back. Had a lovely day out in Milton Keynes, and I picked up some goodies, which I will share with you now. Now I got this. This is it's like an Indiana Jones game, but it's from the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull. And yeah, this I'm pretty sure it's got all the stuff in. I had a quick check, but it was only £2. I thought I should risk it for a biscuit. But this is going on the challenge, on the Reseller Charity Shop Challenge. So yes, just because it's cool. This for a tenner, I thought I'd do quite well on this, but it's a bit meh. It's a Gran Turismo PlayStation 4 pad, and yeah, it does have a bit of damage there that I can replace because I've got some. The little analog, but yeah, I got it for a tenner. I think I might have paid up too much, but yeah, someone got 40. I don't know, because it's a Gran Turismo special. I don't know, they were up for like 25, and I was like, oh, maybe not. But yeah, you live and you learn. The Eureka hat, this is exactly the same as the other Eureka hat. Eureka Stockade Sweden, genuine leather. Oh, it's a small. All right, the other one I got was medium, but yeah, it was £4. They go for about 20 quid. Yeah, Eureka is a bit like it's like a cheap version of Dryzabo. I got a Barbie, and it was £2.50. I paid up a bit, stupidly. I think is this the Stars and not Stars? Is it Daydreamer? I don't know, but it just looked nice because very 90s. This is my favourite. It's a 3D Jurassic Park, 1997, so it's the Lost World. Little sippy cup mug. And there's none really up online. There's only like a bundle of 2. And they wanted 70 quid for them. So I don't know, this is quite unusual. We'll have to see on that, but I love this. This one will probably go into the challenge, the charity shop challenge as well, because it was only £1.50. This, I think this was like £3. It's a sander, so not amazing, but it's like a turquoisey velvet, and I just thought it's a bit different, a bit kind of funky, and it is a size 12 though. This was £3 or £4. I think it was £4. It's a jigsaw, again size 12, but it's a nice blouse. There we go. Okay, I got this for £3. It's got, so it's a vintage Fruit of the Loom tag, but look at that, My Little Mermaid, and it's a nice print of it too, and it feels like it's like a denim-y kind of feel. It's not denim, it's like a cotton feel. So I think what's happened is somebody's upgraded this or reworked it themselves, and they've gotten like a duvet and they've cut it up and they've made this, but it's on a vintage Fruit of the Loom tag, made in the USA. So I'm thinking it's a reworked one, and I'm going to put it on Depop. But yeah, it's an XL, and it's very nice. I got, these were £3.50 each. This is a Tommy Bahama. It's a large, tencel and cotton, and yeah, it's very Hawaiian-y. Might get the end of summer on that. It's long sleeve. And I got this as well, Metroid Prime, but that was £3.50. And these are a bit hit and miss. There's some really good ones that do quite well, but interesting. Let's have a look. Oh, Hardy Ames for £1. This was on the British Art Foundation. I'm quite surprised they had a pound rail. Can you believe it? Also from the pound rail, £1. It's James Mead, but it's a boring one. And it's very clean and crisp pink kind of blouse. Yeah, size 10, but it's a boring James Mead. We like the patterned ones. These are Wranglers. These are like a 30. Here are the nudie jeans. What size is it? Oh yeah, 28 waist. I could probably fit an arm in, and that's about it. Like quite literally. That look at that. I can literally just fit my arm in. T-shirt, AAA. Is it made in the USA, that one? Yeah, made in the USA, AAA. And it's just got Nevada, Las Vegas in it. It's just a spell out to you, but I don't think it's vintage. I'm sure it's double stitched, but yeah. Oh, and this is an O'Neill, because last time I picked up O'Neill, they ended up selling really well. I'm sorry, they ended up selling really quickly. But yeah, but the size 30 waist, and they've got that your comb, for your board. So that's it basically. Bit of a short and sweet one, but I picked up enough. I think I've covered everything that I've spent today, like my train fare and everything, and probably then some. I've gotten a couple of bits for the challenge, which is nice, and yeah, I got to hang out with a load of cool resellers, obviously. Yeah, I'm sure there'll be some stuff up on Instagram. If you look at El Revente, it's Ross, and is it Riley Resells, Abby? Yeah, so just have a look. And yeah, I didn't really take much pictures at the Witherspoons. I was too busy like talking and drinking. But yeah, it was lovely. It was a lovely little meet-up. Yes, and I hope to do it again. I think the next one is, I think it's Essex. Oh no, the next one is Felixstowe, and then it's Essex in November or the end of September. But yeah, if you've followed me this far, thank you for sticking around and watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!